Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in and welcome to Quick Tips. Steven here with Team Euphoric, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the secret to designing an effective exercise training program. If you've only ever watched one of my YouTube videos, then this is the video to watch if you want to learn how to design and customize an effective training program. For a lot of beginners, the idea of customizing a training program can seem like a daunting task. However, if you get really familiar with your acute exercise training variables and learn how to manipulate them, it's going to make it that much easier. With regard to your acute exercise variables, you have your sets, repetitions, intensity, tempo, time under tension, and your rest periods. And the way that each of them is going to work is you have your indirect relationships and your direct relationships. An indirect relationship means as one increases, the other is going to decrease, and vice versa. And your direct relationship means as one increases, so does the other, and as one decreases, so does the other. Your indirect relationships are going to be the relationships between your sets and repetitions, your sets and your time under tension, your repetitions and your intensity, your repetitions and your tempo, your repetitions and your rest periods, your intensity and your time under tension, and your time under tension and your rest periods. Then we have the direct relationships. Your direct relationships are going to be the relationships between your sets and intensity, your sets and your tempo, your sets and your rest periods and your time under tension, your intensity and your tempo, your intensity and your rest periods, and your tempo and your rest periods. And the way that would look in a practical setting, let's say month one. Month one, you would focus on something like low sets, high repetitions, low intensity, high time under tension, and low rest periods. And then month two, you could focus on something like high sets, low repetitions, high intensity, low time under tension, and high rest periods. But that is how you can design an effective exercise program. Just memorize those acute exercise variables and those indirect and direct relationships. And then over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be sharing with you a bunch of different routines to teach you guys how exactly you could use all of the methods that we discussed over the last couple of weeks. We are going to be designing some exercise programs using linear periodization, undulating periodization, and then getting into some things like block periodization as well. Thanks for hanging around until the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like the video and comment down in the comment section, as it would really help out with the algorithm. And also share this video so we can help get this information out to as many people as possible. And also subscribe to the channel by clicking on the icon in the bottom right hand corner and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the videos. For those of you interested in health optimization, you can check out the video in the top right corner where I discuss the 6 foundation principles. And for those of you interested in optimizing your performance, then consider becoming a member. It's only $5 per month, and you get a ton of perks, including exclusive access to this program design lecture series playlist above my head.